Hey YouTube, it is Cutie and Diddy 13 and featuring a friend of mine. If you can see her, this purple queen. No girl name. Okay. Today I'm playing with the T-Pain. So this is how it works. Turn it on. Hold it. And then I'm gonna give a beat. Okay? You ready? Ready? Okay. Yeah. Chalet, what's your name? Was a soleil, buy you a drink and say, money in the bank, money in the bank, money in the bank, money, it's like 5 in the morning, yeah, stop taking your mama, I got to get that room. Come on, say you got the bass on. It's all like in the morning. And you want me, and you want me. Don't you know that's so crazy? Say, peace out, shawty. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, wait. T-Pain gonna talk. So, wait and listen.
Shawty. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey, this your homeboy T-Pain, and you can sound just like me with the T-Pain effect. Sing like a pro. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom!
Bye.